Movical.net is a company founded in 2004 with the goal of providing solutions for users who are unable to use their phones due to some type of lock, restriction, or software problem. Over the years, more than 3 million customers have trusted Movical.net, as evidenced by the thousands of reviews and tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Currently, our company offers a wide range of solutions, SIM unlocking services, to use any carrier. Remove Google, iCloud, Samsung, or Xiaomi accounts. Clean or repair the IMEI if your device has no signal. All the services we offer are remote and can be done from home. Depending on the type of unlock needed, you may simply have to dial a code or open an app. For other types of unlocks, you will need to connect your phone to a computer and run a software program. Our team of technicians can guide you by connecting remotely to your computer if necessary. At Movical.net, we also offer free IMEI checks. Simply enter the IMEI number and you can check if your phone is blacklisted, check SIM lock status, or find out when the manufacturer's warranty expires. Remember, Movical.net is the best option for your phone.